Hello everybody, this is Coco. Welcome to Lopo TV. Today I'm so excited to invite our General Manager Russell to join us.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Russell. Today I'm very happy to introduce you a new swing heat price together with Coco through Lopo TV.
Hi Russell, as I know most of the time you work in the factory and have rich experience in the heat press developing and manufacturing. So could you please share with us some ideas about the heat press trend or the market position for our Galaxy Press?
Sure, thank you Coco. Since Galaxy Press has been created, we aim to offer a high quality heat press machine which can meet requirements from European and USA market. At the very first beginning, we insist self-owned brand sales instead of OEM. It was not easy decision, and we keep our promise until today. Thank you for all customer support. Now, Galaxy Press is welcome and well-known gradually in USA and European market by more and more customers. Because of coronavirus, now many customers start new business at home in sublimation industry. A good heat press machine can help customer win the business, so Galaxy Press will be the best choice.
Today our topic will be the release of a new machine, the GS303 Galaxy Swing Light. Actually, this is not the first time we introduced this machine. We introduced this machine on one of our live show in March.
Sure.
And after the live show, we got a lot of feedbacks from our customers, and we also make some updates according to the feedbacks. And as I know, we already have one model of swing press. It's GS302.
Yes.
So Russell, could you please share us some reasons to develop the new models of swing press GS303?
Okay, Coco. So now many customers like swing heat press machine because easy to press down handle and a large space to locate garments after heat Platen swing away. Now there are some brands from European and USA markets are with expensive price. Some other swing heat press are with low quality. Some customers already know for Galaxy Press, we already have swing hero price GS302. This price is with heavy duty design and packed with working table. Many customers like this machine but think it is too much heavy. After investigation, we find there are many customers looking for a swing heat press with light weight and stable quality. So based on above reason, we developed this new swing heat press, so Galaxy Swing Light GS303.
Okay, Russell, thank you for introduction. I hope customers could have a brief understanding about our new Galaxy Swing Light. And now let's come to a closer look at this machine.
Okay.
First, it's about the design. It looks much more simple than the previous model, the GS302 Galaxy Hero.
Yes. Okay, so totally correct, Coco. So actually, customer can see for our GS303, this machine is with a new industry outlook design. And it's true that the design is elegant and simple. So this machine, the base and the arm are made by aluminum mold. So which make this machine not only solid, but also very easy to assemble.
Yes, it will help a lot to improve the productivity and working efficiency.
Yes.
Yeah, and I know for the GS302, the Galaxy Hero, we use the working table. And because it's too much heavy to protect them during the transportation.
Sure.
So how about the packing for the GS303?
We think of the shipping cost for GS303. This machine will be packed with foam and a carton box, so can save lots of shipping cost for customer.
Yes, thank you. And for a machine, I think one of the most important part is the control board, as it's the head of the machine.
Yes.
And I know for this machine, we use the latest control board. So Russell, could you please introduce more about the control board and control box for this new machine?
Okay, Coco. So we all know that for a heat press machine, the control board and the control box is the very important part of the whole machine. So for the control board we use on the GS303, this control board is with LCD screen. Actually, for this control board, we already use the control board on our GS205B mark price, which is for tumbler printing, and this machine is selling very well now online. Okay, so for this control board, it's very easy to set temperature and time, and also for all the indicators shows on the control board is vividly because of the LCD screen, and this control board can control temperature precisely. And for the control box, we make the control box with interchangeable design, which means that the control box can be easily to taken off by customer, especially for end users. So if there is any problem inside the control box, the end user can take off the control box and send back to the dealers for a fix or for change for a new one.
Yes, this will bring super convenience for the customers on the after-sales service. And for a swing press, I think a lot of customers will use them to do the garment printing. So what kind of benefit can this new machine bring to customers on the garment printing?
Yes, Coco, we also consider about the convenience for garment printing. So for our GS303, we make the hover bottom design below the lower Platen. So this design can help customer to locate different kinds of products very easily.
I noticed that this machine we also use the run lock quick change system, and I know run lock is our patent. So Russell, could you please share us some information about the run lock to our customers?
Yes, the run lock quick change system is our patent design and is welcomed by many customers. We already use this patent on some of our models already, like GS105, GS105S, GS302. Also, now for our GS303, we use the same RAM lock system on this machine. So with this system, customer can change different sizes lower Platen very easily.
So what kind of Platens we have available for customers to choose?
Okay, so now all the quick change lower Platens are in front of us. So next, Coco and I will introduce these lower Platens to customers one by one. The first lower Platen I would like to introduce is this 4x4 inches lower Platen, which is suitable for small items and some garments with zipper. Okay, so this is also very useful lower Platen. And the second one is this 11x15 inches lower Platen, which is the most useful lower Platen, especially for the youth and women's garments printing. Okay, the third one is this 6x20 inches lower Platen, which is for sleeve and pants printing. Okay, yeah. So next, please let Coco introduce the other lower Platens for customer.
This size is 8x10 inch. This size is 6x10 inch, and both of these sizes is mainly used for the bag printing, such as the backpack, yes, or the tote bags, yes, or the Easter basket. And these two sizes, this is 6x6 inch, and this is diameter 4 inch. And these two sizes is designed for the sequin bags printing. This one is good for the sequin coin bag printing, and this one is good for the sequin lunch bag printing. As a swing press, I think a lot of customers would be interested to know what's the maximum opening angle.
Okay, so for our GS303, the open angle for this machine is 150 degrees. So you can see after the heat Platen swing away, the whole lower Platen is open in front of the customer. So for customer to locate different kinds of products, and also this angle can protect customer from hands burning.
Yeah, Russell, I also noticed that we add 2 long feet at the back of the base. So what's the function for this long feet?
Okay, Coco, it's a very good observation ability. So we know when the heat Platen swing away, because of the weight of the top part of heat press, it's very easy to overturn. So with the long feet, we can protect this machine from the overturn risk.
Yes, safety is very important. The big difference between a clamshell press and a swing press is that the swing press can offer much more even pressure and can print much thicker products. So a lot of customers would be interested to know what's the maximum thickness can our Galaxy Swing print.
Okay, Coco. So for our GS303, this machine can print the maximum thickness is 25 millimeter.
Yes, 25 millimeter is good enough for most of the sublimation blanks on the market, such as photo slate and crystal. Russell, I have one more question.
Okay.
I noticed that we add 4 springs here on top of the cover. So what's the function for them?
So it's a good question, Coco. The 4th spring here is the design which can help this machine to get even pressure, especially when customer print some products which is not suitable to locate in the center of the lower platen.
Yeah, such as the PU wallet, as we could not put the whole PU wallet in the center of the heat platen, so we just put that on the edge of the heat platen. So when we close the handle, and the 4 springs will help to adjust the pressure to get a balance for to achieve an even pressure, right?
Totally correct, Coco.
This is a very good idea. Thank you, Russell, for your detailed introduction. I hope customers can have a better understanding about this machine. And I have confidence that this new machine will give benefit for both the die-sub users and the laser transfer users. Now, next part, we will come to the printing part.
Okay, thank you, Coco. I cannot wait. So today, what product do we prepare to do the demonstration for customer?
We prepared the t-shirt with laser transfer paper. We prepared the photo slate, sequin backpack, and the linen fabric. So let's get started.
Okay, let's do it.
As for a swim press, I think a lot of customers will use them to print something thicker. So today I prepared the photo slate printing.
Okay, let's do it.
We use 180 degree and 300 seconds to do the photo slate printing. And you may notice that I put the slate opposite sides, and the printing side is down towards the lower plate, and this is to get a good printing effect. Now the printing is done.
Okay, let's see how the performance. Wow.
Next, we would like to show you the run lock quick change system. And I prepared the 8 by 10 inch lower platens. Russell, could you please change it for me?
Okay, sure.
I prepared the sequin backpack, and this size is good for the sequin backpack printing. And we use a Teflon cover. We use 180 degree and 80 seconds to do the printing. Printing is done.
Wow. I like the design.
Yes. Dinosaur. Now we will show you how to do the garment printing with our Galaxy Swing Light GS303 with our laser transfer paper.
Okay, so first we locate the t-shirt onto the machine, okay, onto the lower platen. Okay, so customer can see because of the Howard design, so the t-shirt can be put on the lower platen. It's very easily.
Yeah,
like
because
this.
there is
Okay.
large space.
Okay, so we let Coco to locate the laser transfer paper so we can see how the printing performance by our GS303. Okay, and we need two
Protective paper.
protect. Okay, so the temperature and for laser transfer paper is 155 degree, and we use 30 seconds. So now we do the printing. And we use medium pressure. Okay, so the laser transfer paper need to be cold, 100% cold peel. So we wait some minutes, okay, for the t-shirt to cool down, and then we will take off the paper to see how the printing performance.
Okay.
Okay, so now actually the t-shirt totally cooled down, and we take off the laser transfer paper to see how the printing performance. Okay, so now we print again with protect paper to get a matte finish, okay? Okay, so we use the same temperature, 155 degree and 30 seconds. Okay, let's see.
Now we will show you the printing for our linen material. As the linen material, it needs very high pressure to do the printing, and we cut the fabric to 40 by 50 centimeters.
Yes.
So Russell, let's get started.
Okay, let's do it to see how the performance on the linen products, okay?
For the linen material, we use the 250 degrees and 45 seconds to do the printing, and let's wait. Now the printing is done.
Okay, let's see how the printing performance. Okay, thank you, Coco. Wow. So let's show the customer how the.
All the colors are vivid,
Okay.
such as the blue color.
Okay, thank you, Coco. Okay, so you can see the performance is perfect.
Okay, we have finished the introduction about the Galaxy Swing Light, and I hope this video will help a lot of customers if they're interested in the swing press.
Okay, so thank you, Coco. Thank you for all the customer watching today. And I'm sure GS303 can help customer win more business. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can contact our sales, and we will reply you as soon as possible.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Thank you. Bye-bye.